everybody, I'm Becky from Unicorn Toy Party. We don't have any toys for you today, but we do have this great value starter kit from Nescafe. It's the Nescafe Dolce Gusto coffee machine. There are so many coffee pod machines on the market. Let me show you the differences and why you should get this one. There are many coffee pod machine brands on the market. Lavazza, Tassimo, Nescafe, Dolce Gusto and Illy. But undoubtedly, the two biggest on the market are Nescafe, Dolce Gusto and Tassimo. So why get a coffee machine and why should you get a Dolce Gusto where the instant coffee is so convenient? Instant coffee is made by freeze-drying the coffee to produce granules or powder coffee. But coffee pods are made using filter coffee similar to one barista makes in your local Starbucks. If you like straight coffee like Americano or latte, then general consensus is Nespresso is better as they have their own milk frother. But if you like sweet coffee or a lot of variety, then the Dolce Gusto wins hands down with a choice available. Look at all these different flavors you can choose. So why did we get a Dolce Gusto? We previously had a Tassimo coffee maker, but we found that the way the machine punctured the coffee pot, sometimes the contents leaked and was messy. And although there's a lot of different pods, the range isn't so big. Even supermarkets do their own brand of Dolce Gusto compatible pods. But there is so many Dolce Gusto machines. Which one should I get? These are the manual machines. Piccolo, XS, Jovia, Oblo, and Infinissima. These ones you will need to adjust and manually turn off the water. But these are the automatic machines. Genio S, Lumio, Mini, and Eclipse. These, you can press the button and walk away and do something else. When we were looking to buy the coffee machine, my supermarket only had the Piccolo. And although the price was attractive, don't be fooled. The automatic machines are much easier to use. So why the Mini-Me? It's great value. We got all of this, the machine, and 6 boxes of pods from Amazon for £47. The price does vary from time to time, so we included a link down below so you can check the latest price. Let's show you how to use the machine. On first use, it's recommended to flush and clean the machine. You can pull out the water tank easily. You press the power button to turn it on. You should wait for the power button to turn green before using, but as you can see, this was the first time we used it and we made a mistake. The switch had a blue for the cold setting and red for hot. We pushed the switch left for cold rinse. Then we pushed it to the right for the hot rinse. After a couple of times, it's ready to use. Make sure you push the water setting to max. Let's start with the latte macchiato. We flip up the lid to pull out the pod tray and remove the plastic pod which is used for the rinse cycle. It tells you on the box and also on the top of the pod what water setting to use. When you push the lid, it punches the pod. Once again, you are to either. We should have waited. We keep forgetting. The instructions much as say, if we're using a milk pod and a coffee pod, the milk pod always goes first. Now for the second pod, we do the same again. But be careful, the pod is hot. Remember to adjust the water setting. Let's show you the cold drink. This is the cappuccino ice we bought. This time, we need to remember to push to the left for a cold drink. And do the same for the second coffee pod and add ice as you wish. This is cappuccino ice. Yummy. And this is the Nesquik we bought. It's basically the same, but this is only one pod. Doesn't it look yummy? Welcome back! So that was our introduction to the Nescafe Dolce Gusto coffee pod machine. In addition to the 6 boxes we bought another 3 to try. We got the Nesquik, we got the Starbucks Caramel Macchiato, we got the Cappuccino Ice, which is a cold drink. Let me taste the Nesquik. Look at it. Yummy. This is my favorite. Thank you for watching us today. If you enjoyed this and found it useful, I hope you can give us a like and subscribe. See you next time.